Good morning, everybody. Well, I guess good morning, good evening, good night. Yeah, I don't know when you're doing this. Some of y'all be doing these at like 2 o'clock in the morning, but that is fine as long as you get it done. Welcome to our third week. Let's go ahead and get rolling. We are on lesson 13. We are almost done, Blood on the River. If you can see my book, we finished this much and we only have this much left. So you all are almost done. And then you're going to be writing an FQT. So remember the focusing question, which I'll remind you of in a second. And you might want to start taking notes on a separate piece of paper so that you remember where your evidence is for whichever character you choose to write about. All right, our learning targets today, we're going to analyze this time how Captain Smith positively impacts Samuel and influences his perspectives, beliefs, and values. You are also going to make sure that we're still citing relevant text evidence. And just as a reminder, last time we talked about how Reverend Hunt impacts Samuel. This time we're thinking about Captain Smith. And at this stage, you want to be analyzing which person had more of an impact on him. Our essential question, how did the social and environmental factors in the unknown world shape Jamestown's development and decline? And our focusing question, who has the greatest impact on Samuel during his time in Jamestown? And this is an argument, so you need to argue that yours, the person you choose, has more of an impact than anyone else. Our content framing question, what does a deeper exploration of Captain Smith's character reveal in Blood on the River? And our craft question, which we're not going to do in today's lesson, but as a part of 13.5, how do reasons, evidence, and elaboration work? So you're going to start thinking about how we use those in argumentative writing. Sorry. All right, and just as a reminder, important evidence is something that's just a significant moment that stands out in the text. But relevant evidence is something that answers the question. So make sure that as you cite text evidence today, it is relevant. Here's some vocab words that will help you as you read today. The first is a charter, which is a written description of an organization's function. So kind of like we have a charter school, and that means that our school has a different structure or a different organization than most schools. The Virginia Company's charter was the rules about how they wanted the settlers to be structured. So today in this reading, you'll see that there's a new charter, which is a new way they want everything to be organized. Servitude is essentially slavery. When you don't get paid to do work, you have to just serve. And apprenticeship is a lot better. It's a person who works for someone else to gain skills and learn about their business. So today, people do apprenticeships if they want to become a mechanic, or if they want to become a plumber, or if you want to become a doctor, then you go through an apprenticeship stage where you work under somebody to learn how to do your job well. I kind of went through an apprenticeship at City Springs when I worked under Miss Smith and Miss McGuire so that I could learn how to teach. Our goals for today, the question you want to be focused on and especially taking notes on so that you can do your FQT, is how does Captain Smith impact Samuel's development and growth in this chapter?